Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this avant-garde look and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles and then you're going to color it with black color and put on this crown, choose toggle 2, and you're going to color it white and black, and then this heel, make it black. Okay, and this necklace, and you're going to color it white and combine it with this one, color it black, and then this necklace as well, make it this color, and this earring, make it like this. And then the next one, you're going to go to the dressing room, and I'm going to go to the cuts item and choose the Sabrina carpenter dress and apply this pattern. And for the second selection, apply this black pattern, and then I'm going to choose this item, still from the coats item, and apply this pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to put on the sleeves, and for the sleeves you're going to apply this pattern, and then you're going to select this gloves. Okay, and remove the fur and apply this pattern. Okay, apply the black one, and then I'm going to put on the back from here, this one. We're going to color it black and white. For the first selection, make it black, and the second selection, make it white, and the third selection, make it black, and the last selection, make it white. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this avant-garde look and dress to impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.